Anyway, here's my 490. Got this stuff cleared out. I completely stripped this bike down. All new plastics, tank, tires, these new boots. Repainted the entire frame on it. I opted not to get it powder coated and stuff because it was just so dang expensive. Over $500 for that. And I put some good layers of some top coat white paint, and then I put a good sealer on it and a clear. And it's held up pretty well. I haven't ridden it a whole lot, but it's really held up all right. I still gotta get the seat covered. I got a cover for it right there. I gotta take it and get it covered, and it should be finished. Get this front wheel, it's kind of bent or out of whack. I gotta get it figured out, and it should be good. It's a freaking sweet 1987 490 two-stroke. It has a lot of freaking power and is a beast of a bike. Yeah, I'm just making this video. I'm gonna work on editing videos. I've never done it, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it turns out. Yeah. Here's my 01 CR250. Pretty sought after Honda. It's a freaking sweet bike. It's my baby. The Ronnie Mac on there. Yeah.